In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a planner in Canva, the easy way. If you want a clean, functional planner without starting from a blank page, Canva's built-in templates make the process fast and stress-free. We'll simply find a template that fits your style, open it in the editor, and tailor it to your needs. Begin on the main Canva dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand side and click on Templates. This takes you to Canva's massive library, where everything is already organized. In the search bar, type Planner. You'll instantly see a wide range of options: daily, weekly, and monthly layouts, along with simple minimalist designs and bold, colorful styles. Take a moment to scroll and preview a few. When you hover or click on a design, you can usually see multiple pages and how the layout flows, which helps you judge if it suits the way you like to plan. Choose a template that matches your planning style. For example, if you like to focus on priorities and time blocking, look for clear sections and clean lines. If you prefer motivation and habit tracking, pick something with goal boxes and checklists. Selecting a design that reflects how you actually plan will save you time later. Once you find one you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open the design in the editor so you can make it yours. Start by replacing any placeholder text with your own headings, dates, or categories. Keep labels short and consistent so the layout remains tidy. Next, adjust colors and fonts to match your personal aesthetic or brand. A simple palette with one accent color often makes planners easier to read. If your template includes icons or shapes, feel free to swap them for alternatives that fit your theme, or remove anything you don't need. Add or refine sections inside the existing layout to suit your routine. You might include spaces for to-dos, appointments, priorities, notes, expenses, or wellness check-ins, whatever you use most. Aim for clear spacing and alignment, and keep contrast high so text is legible at a glance. If you're planning to use the planner every day, simplicity wins. Fewer distractions mean faster, more focused planning. As you tweak, pause, and imagine filling it out. Are the boxes big enough to write in comfortably? Do key sections appear where your eye naturally lands? Little adjustments now will make the planner more effective later. And that's it. From the main dashboard to templates, a quick search for planner, a design you love, and a click on Customize this template, then make it your own. Enjoy creating your planner the easy way.